Ever pondered on the thought, what if I could start building wealth right now, in my teens? A question that wakes the curiosity in many, and today we're going to explore the answers. Imagine being ahead of the curve, having a safety net, and the freedom to make choices that align with your dreams. That's the power of starting to build wealth early. Let's unravel some practical steps to get started. First comes the understanding of money. Money is not just something you spend, it's a tool you can grow. Start by saving a portion of whatever you earn or receive. This simple habit can set the foundation for a solid financial future. The next step is to learn about investing. Think of investing as planting a seed. It might not seem like much at first, but given time and care, it can grow into a substantial tree. Start with something simple like a savings account that earns interest, then explore other options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Now you might think, I'm too young to invest. But remember, age is not a barrier, it's an advantage. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Another practical step is to increase your earning potential. This could mean getting a part-time job, starting a small business, or even monetizing a hobby. Remember, the goal here is not just to earn money, but to learn valuable skills and experiences along the way. Lastly, educate yourself. Read books about personal finance, attend workshops, or listen to podcasts. The more knowledge you have, the better decisions you'll make. Now to summarize, building wealth in your teens involves understanding the value of money, adopting a saving habit, learning to invest, increasing your earning potential, and continually educating yourself. Remember, the journey to wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and consistency. But with these steps, you're on the right path. Embrace the journey, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work and dedication. So, think about it. What if you could start building wealth right now, in your teens? Well, with the right mindset and these practical steps, you absolutely can. Hey there, we hope you found this video helpful and are ready to start your journey towards financial freedom. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth, be sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more content like this coming your way. Remember, your journey to wealth starts now. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build wealth together.